Browsing your iTunes library folders and found ITC2 files taking up space? These contain the album artwork that powers iTunes' visual browsing experience. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these cache files are and whether you need them. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the ITC2 format fails. More on this later. ITC2 Files are cover art cache files generated by Apple iTunes and Apple Music, storing processed album artwork images used for cover flow display library browsing and now playing views. They contain resized and optimized versions of album art embedded in music files or downloaded from the iTunes Store. ITC2 files are cover art cache files generated by Apple iTunes and Apple Music, storing processed album artwork images used for cover flow display library browsing and now playing views. They contain resized and optimized versions of album art embedded in music files or downloaded from the iTunes Store. Most installations default to associating Apple Music from Apple Inc. with ITC2. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows provides limited insight, so these files are typically useful only within the program that created them. Open the menu by right-clicking your ITC2 file and choosing Open With. Test Apple Music if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the ITC2 file differently. If the ITC2 file is still refusing to open, it's expected. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific ITC2 error occurs on your system. First, let iTunes manage them. ITC2 files are generated and managed automatically by iTunes or Apple Music. They regenerate from source artwork when deleted, so they are safe to remove if you need to reclaim disk space. iTunes recreates them the next time it displays album artwork for the affected albums. Next, extract album art. To extract artwork from ITC2 files, use a tool like iTunes Artwork Finder or a Python script designed to parse the ITC2 format. The extracted images can be saved as standard JPEG or PNG files. Alternatively, right-click any track in iTunes and select Get Info, then Artwork to copy the image directly. Finally, rebuild the artwork cache. If album art displays incorrectly or is missing, delete the ITC2 files from the album artwork folder in your iTunes Media directory. Relaunch iTunes and select File, then Library. Then get album artwork to re-download artwork from the iTunes Store and regenerate the ITC2 cache files from embedded source images. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.